In this demo, we'll take a look at how to use a pop-up in your reactive application. I've got a reactive application ready to go here with a screen called Popup. To start using the pop-up, I can simply search for pop-up in the tool area and drag and drop the pop-up onto my screen. The pop-up is essentially a blank canvas, so I can type in some text. I am a pop-up, and add whatever controls I might need. So for example, I might want a button to dismiss the pop-up. In order to show the pop-up, I need to provide a variable that indicates whether the pop-up is to be shown or not. And I do that using a local variable. I'll right-click my screen, select Add Local Variable, and type in Show Pop-up. It automatically becomes a Boolean variable, and based on whether that is true or false, we will show or hide the pop-up. Next, I need a way to change the value of the variable, and I can do that using a simple button. But what you'll find is, if I try to drag and drop a button onto my screen in the Actions area, I can't actually do that right now. So this is a common issue you might run into. The simple solution: I just select my pop-up, and there's a radio button here that allows me to collapse the content of my pop-up so that I can use the rest of my screen. Now I can drag my button onto the screen. So type in Show Pop-up, and then double-click my button in order to change the value of my variable and show the pop-up. So we'll set the Show Pop-up to True and go back to our screen. One last thing we need to do is provide the variable for the Show Pop-up. And in the content of our pop-up, we also want to use the Dismiss button to again change the value of that variable. In this case, we'll set that to false. Do a quick publish, and test our application. When I click the Show Pop-up button, my pop-up appears. When I click Dismiss, the pop-up goes away. Hope you found this useful, and thanks for watching.